is off to a really amateur start because I thought I was recording the whole entire time, but I wasn't. Anyways, we're doing a day in the life vlog because like I was saying, and it wasn't recording, I have this camera and I bought it to be able to do like memory videos so that I could look back on for me and Easy, and I haven't, and it's been months. So I wanted to take you guys along with us to run some errands today and just do a normal day in the life. We just had breakfast. Easy had a chocolate chip cookie dough pancake that I made. Then I had really healthy ramen noodles. And right now, so what I do when I go take a shower is I leave him in his high chair, and then, are you giving me that? You're putting a cracker in my hair? Thank you. He sits here and I'll put on a video for him while I take a quick shower, and I'll leave him with some snacks. What I'll give him, he really likes like these snack pack things, but he doesn't like the cheese, and I'll just cut up the crackers. Can you show him? Show them your cracker so that he could have them as snacks. Can you say good morning? Good job. Very close. So yeah, I'm gonna take a quick shower and then we're gonna get ready, and then today I have to go get some, what are we doing today? Oh, that's right, we do. We have to get groceries, and you wanted to go to the park? Yeah? Oh. Yeah, okay, okay. Then we're gonna go to the park, and yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go take a shower now. we are back now from doing some grocery shopping, and while we were there, actually, he's kind of grumpy today, to be honest. So, oh, you want to get down? Can you say down? No? Okay. What was I saying? So yeah, Easy started getting in a grumpy mood, and to be honest, it's really hot outside, so we were planning on going to the park, but it's not even 12 yet and it's super hot. And so, oh, and my kid is a lot like me. He does not like the heat. He gets really grumpy when he's hot. So we're back home, and he's gonna take his nap soon. He usually takes it from like 1 to 3, and during that time I'll usually like work or clean up or eat or do whatever I need to do during that time. Lately it's been really bad. I've been super tired, so I will be napping with him, but I try not to, because when we nap together we actually sleep a lot longer. We'll sleep from like 1 to almost 4, and it's like a waste of my day, and I don't know, I guess it's a good treat sometimes. But yeah, so he's gonna nap soon, probably like around 12:30, since he's a little grumpy today. And for right now we'll just play a little bit and maybe watch a movie and have some snacks and have a little lunch, and then yeah, so I'll update you guys when we get to that point. Vlogging, so fun. Did you bring those for me? Are those for Mama? Yeah, give Mama. Can you give Mama her sandals? Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. You're so kind. Thank you so much, buddy. Corduroy. 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 Okay, ready? Corduroy is a bear who once lived in the toy department of a big store. Oh, you do the, okay. You want to read by yourself? You don't want Mama to help you?
started for you.
Hi, can I get a tall iced cinnamon almond milk macchiato, please? Can you make it decaf though?
With what?
Decaf?
Decaf. Anything else?
Yeah, can I get a, do you have any more cheese danishes?
We do. You want one warmed up?
No, don't warm it up, please.
Alright, anything else?
That'll be all.
740, thank you.
Thank you. You can do it, come on. Good job. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Easy.